Thank you for using TOTOLINK EX302. This video will guide you how to set it up in two ways. TOTOLINK EX302 is a 300 megabytes per second Wi-Fi range extender. It is equipped with two 5 dBi high-gain antennas, 5 LED indicators for clear status display, one reset and WPS 2-in-1 button, and one power on-off switch. Besides, one RJ45 port provides connection for computer and any other Ethernet-enabled device. Now, let's learn how to set it up to extend Wi-Fi. If your router got a WPS button, just 2 steps to finish extension. Plug the extender into an outlet near your router and wait until the device starts. Firstly, press the WPS button on your router for 2 seconds. Secondly, press WPS button on EX302 for 2 seconds. Wait for a while. The router and extender will be connected automatically. Check the extend LED until it turns solid light. Means the Wi-Fi is extended successfully. Then move the extender to anywhere within Wi-Fi covered. It will remember the settings. You can enjoy the extended Wi-Fi. What if your router don't have WPS button? Don't worry, you can set it up with computer, pad, or mobile phone. First, please connect your computer to EX302 by Wi-Fi. After it is successfully connected, the login page pops up automatically. Type in username, admin, and password, admin. Click Login. Click Repeater setting on the left, and click Scan to search signal. Choose your router's SSID. Type in its Wi-Fi password. Click Connect. Wait for a while till the extending LED turns solid light. Then connect Wi-Fi and try a website to test the internet. You can enjoy Wi-Fi now.